Welcome to how to create a login for the Silicon Beach Group website. Cullen here, let's jump straight into it. In order to register to pitch at one of our pitch nights or post your project on our website, click Sign Up in the top right of the page, then either click one of the social login buttons to quickly create an account or fill in the form. Enter your name, email address and phone number and create a secure password, then click Join Now. Click to dismiss the notification and you're ready to go. You can now submit a pitch request, create a project and explore everything else we have to offer. So log in today to connect to the global startup community within the Silicon Beach Group and check out my next video to help you get started.